Assalamualaikum. A very evening to all of you. How are you all? Please don't avoid reply of these questions answer. Hope that you all are fit and fine. Alhamdulillah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. It's me Delwar. Once again before you. I am your host. I am a student. I am a coaching teacher as well as. Today's I am making a video after a long days. I could not make a single English video because I was busy on my works. So that's why I will not be able to make a video. Though I don't try to make a video. Today's in this video we are going to learn how to define sentence. What is sentence, or what is the definition of sentence? A combination of words that make a complete sense is called sentence. According to meaning, there are 5 types of sentence. These are assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative and exclamatory. According to structure, there are 3 types of sentence. These are simple, complex, compound. Now I will describe you many sentence structure. Assertive sentence structure: subject, verb, object and finally full stop. Interrogative sentence structure: helping verb plus subject, verb plus extension plus question mark. And number 2 structure: WH word, helping verb, subject, verb, extension and question mark. Imperative structure: verb plus object and full stop. And number 2 structure: let plus me, him, her, them, it, name plus verb plus object plus full stop. Optative sentence structure: me plus subject plus verb plus object plus full stop, or me plus assertive. Exclamative sentence structure: hurrah, alas, fie, exclamation mark, subject, verb, object and full stop. And number 2 structure: what or how plus a or n plus adjective othoba adjective or adverb plus extension plus subject plus verb plus exclamation mark.